Hey everyone, welcome to Soap Trend. We hope that everybody is doing well. We have some exclusive news to share with you all in today's video, and that's about one of our favorite TV series Yellowstone. Oscar winner Tom Hanks is going to guest star in Paramount Plus Yellowstone prequel 1883. So do watch this video till the end to know everything. Our favorite Oscar winner actor Tom Hanks has signed on for a guest starring role in Paramount Plus' upcoming prequel series 1883, which hails from Yellowstone's creator Taylor Sheridan. It is scheduled to make its debut next week on December 19. We expect Hanks to appear in the second episode and will portray the role of a 3-star general in a flashback sequence. In an interview, Taylor Sheridan went on to tease that viewers should expect more guest star surprises throughout the first season. The show will focus on the Doughton family in the late 19th century as they set out westward across the Great Plains to create the Montana home state that will one day become the focus of many trials and tribulations for the descendants. The show 1883 is created by Oscar nominee Taylor Sheridan, who is best known for his works on TV shows such as Veronica Mars and Sons of Anarchy, as well as in films like Sicario and Hell or High Water. The prequel stars Tim McGraw, Faith Hill, Sam Elliott, Isabel May, La Monica Garrett, and Billy Bob Thornton in a guest starring role. The synopsis of the prequel reads, it follows the Doughton family as they embark on a journey west through Great Plains towards the last bastion of untamed America. It is a stark retelling of Western expansion and an intense study of one family fleeing poverty to seek a better future in America's promised land, Montana. The series will also feature Audie Rick, Mark Risman, Eric Nelson, and James Landry Hebert, who have been cast in series' regular roles. Meanwhile, Don Olivieri, Emma Malouf, Alex Fine, Grady LeBron-Cousy, Anna Faemora, Nicole Galicia, Stephanie Noor, Amanda Yaros, Noah LeGros, and Martin Sensmeyer have been taped for recurring appearances. 1883 is a production by MTV Entertainment Studios, 101 Studios, and Boss Grants Productions. Sheridan, John Linson, Art Linson, David Glasser, Ron Burkle, and Bob Yari are serving as executive producers. In August 2021, it was announced that country music power couple Faith Hill and Tim McGraw will be starring in 1883 as James and Margaret Doughton. This is truly a dream job, McGraw said in a statement. Show creator Taylor Sheridan has found a way of storytelling that brilliantly creates these epic dramas and family sagas with so much depth and creativity. The Doughtons are tremendous characters and it's so thrilling to be able to bring them to life. This is the opportunity of a lifetime, Hill added. The Doughtons are a formidable family and it is an absolute dream to bring such a strong female character like Margaret Doughton to life. I am humbled and honored to work with Taylor and his entire team. In December, the couple, who marked their 25th anniversary on set, spoke about what it was like to act together on screen for the first time. We have made it to the point not to work on our scenes together until we're on set, Hill said. It's important that we react to one another naturally as characters, not as husband and wife. It's been incredible to do scenes together and watch her work, McGraw added, sharing that some scenes hit a little close to home. We had this scene where she had to slap me. I was expecting a finger slap, but it was a paw to the jaw. There was 25 years of pent-up aggression going on, he joked. When you see it on screen, you realize it was a genuine hit. In addition to Hill and McGraw, early on it was revealed that the cast would be rounded out by Western genre veteran Sam Elliott as Saber Nunn, a cowboy who guides the Doughtons from Texas to Montana. Isabel May, who will play Elsa, the Doughtons' eldest daughter. La Monica Garrett as Thomas, a Pinkerton who works closely with Sam Elliott, and Billy Bob Thornton as Marshal Jim Cartwright. In November, a full cast list was finally revealed, including Audie Rick as the Doughton's son John Doughton and Don Olivieri as James Doughton's sister Claire. Also joining the cast will be Mark Risman, Eric Nelson, James Landry Hebert, Emma Malouf, Alex Fine, Grady LeBron-Cousy, Anna Faemora, Nicole Galicia, Stephanie Noor, Amanda Yaros, Noale Gross and Martin Sensmeyer. So this much for today's video. We hope you liked it. We will deliver more news of Yellowstone as it comes in. We will have all the burning Yellowstone spoilers, updates and news you're looking for. So visit us regularly. Thank you for checking this video out. We will see each other very soon with another video. If you like this video, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for new videos every day. If you have anything to say, do let us know in the comment section below. We'll make sure to reply to your comments.